Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are just going to go ahead and do our wear test Wednesday, and I'm going to go ahead and test out what to me is a really high-end brand and something that I actually have not tried, shockingly. Anyways, intro. Okay, so it is, we're gonna go ahead and clock this, 9:30, and we are about to go ahead and put on the lippy. We're gonna wear it till around 10 o'clock tonight at least. What we have got is a Kylie Lip Kit. I know this is one of those brands that I can't believe I haven't tried it yet, but it's so expensive. I have it in the shade Clove. Listen, these are $30. And I mean, it's not ridiculous because you get a liner and a matte lip. It's not horrible, but man, that's a pretty high price point when you kind of broke. So we finally got one of these. Now they have them at Ulta. I could redeem some points for it. And we are going to, like always, do the steps it says. So it says to fill your lips in with the liner, put on the lipstick. So we're going to go ahead and do that and not ramble because I want to do a lot of check-ins today. I think today is going to be a pretty fun day. We're going to see. So zooming as always so you can see my lips a little better. And we're going to fill it in. Don't judge me. I have to overdraw. Crooked lips, guys. Crooked lips. Okay, so the lip liner is on. That is super dark. It went on really easy, glided easy. Lips are crooked, so I had a little bit of issues, but overall definitely like that lip liner. Now I guess it's time for the lippy. Let's see how it feels. Okay, the lippy is on. Looks pretty good. It was easy to apply. My edges are a little off, but I think that was my fault. We gonna see, right? Okay, so zooming out, we have got this lippy on. We're gonna go about our day for at least 12 hours. See how this performs. So we'll keep it on till at least 10, honestly. I'm going to my mom's and she gets a little cray, so it'll probably be a little bit later than that. We will see. Usually we end up staying up till at least like midnight or 1. So, you know, might get more like a 14 or 15 hour wear test. It just depends how tonight goes. But yes, so we've got this lippy on. We are looking dark and smoky, and I like it. I don't care if I have dramatic eyes and dramatic lips. I'm all about that. I love looking dark sometimes. Plus, I'm probably going to go to Ulta and Sephora today, and I need to look like I know what I'm talking about so they treat me nice. Because y'all know that's a thing. I'll probably check in while I'm in there if we get to it today. But yes, so today's going to be a day full of shopping and Pokemon and lots of fun stuff with my mommy. And you're going to follow me. So I will come check in around noon. Noon sounds good to me. 9:40. I will see you guys at lunch. Bye. Hey you guys, so it is 2:44. I know I'm late. We've had this on for 5 hours and Actually, if you just saw my food, I'm pretty impressed. This actually stayed on really well. It's not comfortable, but it's staying on. Still looks good. It's a little bit faded, but nothing too crazy. I mean, it definitely still looks good. It doesn't feel the best. It's kind of sticky. Like right here, it kind of transfers off a little bit, but it's not too bad. Yeah, I don't know, checking in a couple more hours and see how it holds up. Okay guys, so it is right around 6:30. I just got back to my mom's. I'm hiding in the bathroom to film an update. So far my face is cakey, but my lips still look pretty nice. No major bleeding. No serious spots other than the inside of my lips, which is totally normal. Honestly, this is still looking pretty flawless, and I hate to even admit it because this crap is pretty expensive, but it is working really well. This is the best I've seen a dark color stay on in quite a while. We're at 8.5 hours roughly, so 6:30. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get in 2 more check-ins, hopefully one around 8 and one around 10, maybe one at like 9 and like 11 or 12, because I'm going to be up forever. So this is going to be longer than a 12-hour work test. But yeah, this is looking awfully nice. I'm impressed and very, very happy with this lippy. So we shall see how this holds up. All right, guys, so it is 8:30. We are playing Pokemon. We're at a gym. You can't tell because I don't have the app open, but I finally found some half decent lighting, and I have a little spot right here where it's kind of starting to come off. Other than that, it still looks pretty good. Just this little smudge right here, but it's still holding up, y'all. And this is, oh goodness, over 10 hours. So we've got one more check-in to go. We're gonna see what happens, but I'm thinking I'm really liking this one. Okay guys, so it's like 11:30 at night, and I just got home, well, my mom's house. I'm tired, but to the point. This lipstick held up so good today. It's bled a little bit, but not like tragically. I mean, it's not bad. We've had it on for a little over 13 hours. So that's like a really long time, and it's still holding strong. Like I could still wear this somewhere and it doesn't look ridiculous. Like the corners have faded a tiny bit, like right there. But like I even had Mexican food today. Mexican food is like super greasy. Like I had tacos and it didn't move. So yeah, I don't really have anything negative to say about this except like the price point's a little up there for me. But she does a lot of buy one, get one halves on her lip kits. Kylie's got you occasionally, usually Labor Day, I think there's always one, but you can just kind of watch out for those. But yeah, this was definitely, man, didn't expect this. This is one of the better lippies I've actually tested. I'm really enjoying it. I love this color. This one is Clove, and you can get it online at Ulta. But yeah, so I guess that is it. This lippy still looks so good. My eyes are still holding up pretty well too. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this wear test. If you have a brand I haven't done yet that you'd like to see, go ahead and leave it in the comments. If you haven't subscribed, hit the button and ring the bell so you can be notified when I post. I do wear tests almost every Wednesday, and they're my favorites, honestly. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, you guys.